For a beachfront holiday in the heart of the action, Sol Tenerife is perfectly placed in Playa de las Americas. With direct beach access, lively nightlife nearby, and plenty of on-site amenities, it's great for couples and groups. The rooms are comfortable and functional, many with balconies overlooking the ocean or mountains. The pool area includes 2 outdoor pools and a children's pool, surrounded by sunbeds and a chilled-out atmosphere. The buffet restaurant serves a variety of local and international dishes, with themed nights and live cooking stations. There's daily entertainment, sports activities, and evening shows, while being just steps from bars, shops, and the famous Veronica's Strip. If you want sun, sea, and nightlife all in one spot, Sol Tenerife is a great choice for a lively escape.